Hello children, today topic is shapes. Everybody likes shapes now? Now I will start telling shapes. First, this is triangle. This is triangle shape. Triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. Next, set square. This is also had 3 corners. Next, this is oval. Oval looks like an egg. Circle and oval has no sides. This is egg. This one, sphere. Sphere looks like a circle shape. This is a shape of circle. Next, this one is football. Football is shape is circle. Circle, yes. This is cylinder. This is the shape of cylinder. We drink cold drinks in cans. This is also shape. This shape is also cylinder. Next, come to next one. This is square. Yes. Carrom board is square. Windows are square. Yes. Then square shape objects are carrom board, window, etc. Next one is rectangle. Rectangle shape objects are, look around in your house. Yes, door. Door shape is rectangle. And this is file. File also in rectangle shape. Next, circle. Yes, this is a shape of circle. This is pyramid. Pyramid shape is called, had 2 triangles. This is called pyramid. This is twinkling star. Everyone gets star in your class every day. So this is called star. This is cube. We are playing cube now. So this is cube. This is pentagon. This is pentagon. Pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners. That's why we are calling it pentagon. Hexagon. Hexagon has 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is called hexagon. Next, this is octagon. Why we are calling it octagon? Because of there is 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This object have 8 corners. We are calling it octagon. This is the shape of the cone. Yes. This is the shape of the cone. Look this. This is called cone. When you are celebrating birthday, then you are using this party cone. Birthday party hat. We can call as cone. So these are the shapes are very important, children. Just revise. So first you should mainly know this circle. Say circle.
Circle.
Next triangle.
Triangle.
Oval.
Oval.
Square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Star.
Star.
These are very important for beginners. First revise these all shapes. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share and like. Thank you.